So as I always do, I thought I'd start out here for the build here and just get the parts sorted and organized. So we'll jump into that. I've got some little containers here to sort into. And of course a little bag for the parts. Connector, driver IC, with an LED stuck in it. I'll be a little bit careful here that stuff doesn't roll off the desk. We've got some stuff's trying to roll off the desk. Diodes. Resistors, standoffs, and of course screws. There's another standoff, nut, and the third nut. Lots of piddly little pieces, but getting them all kind of organized. I'll drop the screw. It's always a good idea. I just think it makes getting stuff assembled a lot easier. Let me see if I can pluck all these diodes out of here. Using a slightly magnetized screwdriver to pick them up. Lots and lots of diodes. I've built a number of PDP-8 emulators over the years, all the way back to the Spare Time Gizmos machine that actually used I think it was a 6120 IC that emulated, didn't emulate, actually implemented the PDP-8 architecture, and built the front panel kit and the whole 9 yards for that, and it was an absolutely gorgeous build. I think I mentioned this before. At some point I ended up selling it, which I regret to this day. I recently saw that machine come up on eBay and get sold again. It went for $1,500, which was really impressive. Really nice machine. I should have never sold it, but life happens. Lots of stuff to sort here. I'm sure this is super exciting watching me sort parts. A lot of LEDs. Well, the magnetized screwdriver does pick them up. Which is nice. Quit trying to run away. Probably would have been smarter to dump these into something with edges so that the little spacers couldn't run away, but I didn't do that. I'm afraid to use anything with a strong magnetic field here to pick stuff up. For fear it'll cause the little plastic guys to jump. and fly spacers off the work surface onto the floor to never be seen again. Certainly a lot of old spacers. Can I collect all these little spacers up without losing them? Having them roll everywhere. Oh, there's still a few left in the bag. I didn't get the bag totally emptied. I can find something to kind of scoop them up on. That didn't work very well. Something a little stiffer, like a piece of paper, would work. There that rolled off. There's actually a few more parts in the bag that didn't get dumped out. Well, I think there it is. The parts are sorted. Some kind of order that makes sense. I'm just going to leave the switches in the bag for now. There's no reason to sort those. And we'll call it sorted.